Hello, this is Aaron with a video tour of 2421 Beechwood Boulevard. 2421 Beechwood Boulevard is a predominantly residential street. It's right near Colfax Elementary School, and then also just 2 houses over from Frick Park. Again, this is Aaron with Squirrel Hill Flats, and you can visit us at www.squirrelhillflats.com or email us at info@squirrelhillflats.com or call us at 412-422-RENT or 412-422-7368. But let me give you a tour now. There is a driveway, but the garage is rented out, but it's good to unload groceries or unload your stuff when you're moving. And again, 2421 Beechwood Boulevard, and then everyone gets a mailbox. This is just the vestibule or just a area to collect your mail. This apartment has been totally renovated. It's a 2-bedroom apartment with a brand new kitchen, dishwasher, built-in microwave, new hardwood floors. Let me give you a tour. So here is the apartment, 2421C. And I already came in here and unlocked all the doors and also turn on all the lights just to make the tour a little quicker, but it does come with air conditioners. Here's the kitchen, brand new appliances, new dishwasher, stove, built-in microwave, and all the cabinets are brand new as well. There is a garbage disposal. Here's the fridge, also brand new, just delivered a week ago. And then here's the dishwasher, and again, brand new. Then there's an air conditioner. Here's the first bedroom, and all the sizes and dimensions of the bedrooms are on our website, www.squirrelhillflats.com. And then here is the other closet. And just to give you a perspective of the bedroom. And then continuing along the way, as you can tell, it's a very bright apartment and got lots of lights as well as windows. I left the fan on just for the lights, but the bathroom has been totally redone. New vanity, new mirror, new bathroom surround tub, as well as new plumbing, faucets for both the bathtub, shower head, and then also a brand new toilet. And then here is the second bedroom. And again, the dimensions are right on the website. Here's a giant walk-in closet with an LED light. And by the way, all the lights in the apartment are LED, so you'd never have to replace the light bulbs. And so here's the overall apartment. There is laundry and storage in the basement. And I'll just do another quick walk through of the apartment. Again, brand new kitchen, brand new cabinets, brand new also bathroom. Well, if interested, please give us a call at 412-422-RENT or 412-422-7368, or email us at info@squirrelhillflats.com, or give us, visit us on the website at www.squirrelhillflats.com. So thank you for visiting. My name is Aaron, and I look forward to hearing from you.